Hello and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Grimm Workshop adze. I made this little leather sheath to hold it, but here's the adze itself. It has an edge on the bottom and an edge on the front. It also has this groove here, which makes it easy to put your fingers through and use it like a knife and carry it. It's very small and compact, but it has these two holes here, this and this notch, that make it easy to lash into an axe, and that is what we're going to be doing with it today. So stay tuned. Now that I got my handle cut off, stick my finger through the hole and put this one here so that I got it sort of a chopper grip like that. And I'm going to start cleaning up this end, and I got cut most of the way through it and then snapped it off, so it's a little bit rough. And you can adjust lots of different grips you can hold on this. Taking chamfer around the edges a little bit here. Okay, I got a relatively short handle, mainly so I can choke up on it and use it more as a knife rather than an axe, but it'll still work as an axe. So now that I got it cleaned up a little bit around the outside there, I'm gonna find the place I want it. I'm gonna start smoothing it in towards the center so that it meets where the blade goes in, where the cut goes into the blade. Okay, now I've got it sort of tapering in a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and find a baton, split it, and drop this in there, and then we'll get a nice wrap on it. I broke off a little pine branch here to use as my baton. I'm going to take my axe, and I'm going to, so that I'm not pounding into an edge, I'm going to set it with this bottom part of the edge into where I want to cut my handle. And I'm just gonna tap it in, nothing too fast, lots of light, small, quick taps. There we go. And it's split. Now that it's split, I wanna try and, rather than taking it out and putting it back in, I wanna try and work it forward and have it pop in to that notch right there. Move it over. My thumb through that hole now that it's out, and there we go. Got it just about where I want it in that notch. I want it to sit towards the back of the notch so that I can wrap things in the front, but that's about where I want it. And that will do everything I need to do. The hole is still completely exposed so that when it is done, I'll be able to choke up on it a little bit and do some cutting. I got to be careful of the blade down here by my finger, but I'll be able to choke up on it there. I'll be able to pull it there, push it. So I'll go find some paracord and we will lash it in place.